In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign in to Nano Banana. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in nanobanana.ai. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Nano Banana. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to sign in to your account, it is actually very simple. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface. You'll be able to find two options for signing in to your account. You can either do the Google sign in or you can also continue with email. So simply click on the option of your choice. Here I've selected the option for email sign in. Now what you have to do is enter your email address over here. Click on the field of email address and provide the email address. Make sure to enter the correct email address. After you do that, click on this option, send verification code that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email. What you have to do is go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. Nano Banana has sent me the email. Click on it. Now in this email you'll be able to find the verification code. Make sure to memorize this code. After you do that, go back to the sign in tab. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now click on this option, verify and sign in, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now after a while you can see over here you'll be signed in to your account. So that is how you sign in to Nano Banana. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.